In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace the battery in a Volvo XC90 key fob. So it's super easy to do. You can do it yourself at home. You'll just need a regular old flathead screwdriver and one CR2032 battery. If you'd like to pick one of these up online, you can just go right down there, click on the first link, and that'll take you over to Amazon where you can find these for a good price. Now to open this thing up, we want to first look on the bottom and find the switch. Hold that down, and with these two, there's a piece of plastic on either side. You're going to hold down the switch and kind of just do a push-pull motion, and that will remove this side that has the Volvo logo on it. So go ahead and set that to the side. Inside, we have another switch, not this one on the metal, this one over here on the plastic. You're going to do the same thing for the other side. So hold down the switch and just pull. And once it's in this position, it comes right off. Now inside of here, we have this plastic tab. You can see there's the picture of the battery. We're going to use a flathead screwdriver to turn this into the open position. You can see there's the arrow. Right now it's on close. We want to put it on open. So go in, push down, and twist until it's on the open position. And now on the side, you can see there's a little indentation, a little opening on the side of the tab. You can just use the corner of your flathead screwdriver, kind of push it down in there. If you have a smaller screwdriver, you can switch over to that, but this works just fine. There you go. Once it's starting to come off a little bit, just pull it off with your fingers. And there we go. Sometimes the battery just comes right out. If it did, that's good. You can skip a step, but I'm going to show you how you normally remove it. So you can just come in on the side of the battery where there's an opening, like right here, and using your flathead, just gently pry the battery out of place. And when you're putting in your new battery, which is a CR2032, you want to make sure that the positive side is facing up. Is that right? Yes, positive side up. You can see right here in the picture. So positive side facing up, and you want to first, down here where the arrows are, you can see there's this large tab, a little plastic tab. You want to first put the battery under that and then snap it under this smaller tab. Now all we want to do is put the tab, the round piece of plastic here, back on there, and you'll do that by lining up the arrows for open, pushing down, and now we just want to lock it. So turn into the close position, and we can now put the plastic pieces back on there. So if you look here, you'll see that there's this one side that has these two parts sticking out. This is kind of solid. Just call these tabs. Again, everything's tabs, but so put these tabs on the bottom side like this, and you'll just click it into place, and from there it is locked in. And again, it's the same on the other one. Find the tabs, they go on the bottom where the key ring is, click it into place, and that's it. Once you have this locked into place, it's secure, it's good to go. Your new battery should last you for a very long time. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, feel free to leave us a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here to this channel and we'll have you covered with a tutorial just like this one.